One of the first mods I did was put a new tow bar on it off a new BDJ Landcruiser. Upgrade the reverse lights. New tray done by my mate just down the road, RJ Simpson Raw Welding. Got 5mm checker plate, aluminium. All the new lights, LED. I did the mud guards myself. Bit of work to the headboard. Suspension wise, I've got 4.5-inch extended shackles on the rear done by Bud's Customs. 6-inch 400 constant low springs in the rear done by Jake Allset Springs. Tough Dog GU 8-inch shocks. Superior Engineering lift boxes, hangers there. Boss airbags done by Partsman Dan in Queensland. Extended brake lines, diff breathers into the engine bay, into the back diff. Lines go from the bags into the cab into an onboard air compressor behind the seats. Homemade 3-inch exhaust, I've done myself. I'll be Shannon's engineering, we'll be fabbing up a 4-inch straight through. Little waco fridge, air compressor, gauges, just boosting EGR. Got the altimeter from a 73 series short wheelbase, put in the dash so I know what angle I'm on because it's so high. UHF and roof console up top. V8 scoop in the bonnet. Was a prick of a job. LED lighting on the front. Halo lights. 12,000 pound Dominator winch. Suspension under the front. I've got 8-inch king springs, 2-inch coil spacer, 8-inch GU front shocks, twin steering dampener, Superior Engineering diff guard, Roadrunner 4x4 steering arms, front and rear, Brown & Davis radiator guard, 37 Treps, cut snake flares with a bit of extension because the cops. So this one's just UHF, this one's AM/FM radio, and this one's my phone cradle in the cab.